Alright, let's clear the air before we even load a magazine. We all know the mantra. Just buy a Glock. And look, I am not going to stand here and tell you that is bad advice. The Glock 19? It is the Toyota Camry of the gun world. It starts every time. It gets you from point A to point B, and it is boringly reliable. But folks, it is not 2005 anymore. We are living in the golden age of polymer prowess. The market has evolved. We are seeing factory-ported barrels, modular chassis systems, and optics mounting solutions that don't require a degree in engineering to figure out. These modern platforms are shooting flatter, running faster, and offering features that make your trusty Gen 3 feel like a relic. Now, if you run a stock Glock and you love it, rock on. But if you want to see what happens when engineers stop resting on their laurels, stick around. We are breaking down the pistols that are making the polymer giants sweat. If you love the Second Amendment and honest reviews, go ahead and rack the slide on that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to work. Number 10. The Springfield Echelon 4.0. This isn't just a competitor. This is Springfield taking a shot at the title. The Echelon 4.0 feels like the next evolutionary step for the striker-fired pistol. It is sleek, it is modular, and it is laser beam accurate. The secret sauce here is the Central Operating Group, or COG. Think of it like the chassis system in the SIG P320, but arguably more refined. It is a serialized stainless steel chassis that allows you to swap grip modules in seconds. You want a small frame for deep concealment? You got it. You need a full-size frame for duty use? Snap it in. This specific model rocks a 4-inch hammer-forged barrel and a full-size grip that feels fantastic in the hand. It feeds from a flush-fit 17-round magazine, but with the extension you are packing 20 rounds of 9mm on tap. But the real MVP here is the variable interface system for optics. Say goodbye to adapter plates. Springfield designed a pin system that lets you direct mount over 30 different red dots right to the slide. That means a lower deck height and a better co-witness with your iron sights. The slide serrations are deep, the ergonomics are on point, and the recoil impulse is incredibly manageable. Springfield did their homework on this one. Number 9. The Walther PDP Compact Steel Frame. If you believe that weight is quality, then you are going to love this. Walther took their already legendary PDP and swapped the plastic for steel. This is the PDP Compact Steel Frame, and it is an absolute tank. We are looking at a 4-inch match-grade barrel and a 15+1 capacity. But the headline here is the mass. This thing tips the scales at roughly 38 ounces empty. Now, why would you want a heavy compact gun? Physics. That extra mass soaks up recoil energy like a sponge. When you press the trigger, the muzzle stays flat and your dot stays in the window. And let's talk about that trigger. Walther has the best striker-fired trigger on the market. Period. The break is like snapping a glass rod, and the reset is short and tactile. Combine that with the superb grip ergonomics, and you have a pistol that feels like a cheat code. It is optics ready, it comes with suppressor height sights, and it is built with that precision German engineering we all respect. It is not cheap, and it is heavy to carry all day, but on the range, it is a masterpiece. Number 8. The SIG Sauer P365X Macro. Just when we thought the micro-compact wars were over, SIG dropped a nuke. The P365X Macro bridges the gap between a carry gun and a duty pistol. Glock doesn't really have anything that goes toe-to-toe with this specific footprint. You get a 3.7-inch barrel, but the magic is in the grip module. SIG managed to cram 17 rounds of 9mm into a profile that is barely strictly wider than a single stack. It is baffling how efficient this design is. Many X Macro models also feature an integrated compensator cut directly into the slide. This redirects gas upwards, fighting muzzle rise, and keeping you on target during rapid fire. You get a flat-face trigger X-ray 3-day-night sights and an optic cut that fits the Shield RMSC footprint directly. The grip texture is aggressive enough for a solid purchase, but it won't shred your stomach if you carry appendix. If you want full-size capacity, in a package you can actually conceal in a t-shirt. This is the one to beat. Number 7. The Kimber R7. Mako Carbon Compact Weight Kimber? Making a striker-fired polymer gun? You bet. And honestly, they crushed it. The R7 Mako Carbon Compact is a dedicated carry piece that ignores the 1911 tradition entirely. This thing is built on a carbon fiber-infused polymer frame. That means it is rigid, it is durable, and it is incredibly lightweight. It feeds from an 11-round or 13-round magazine, giving you respectable firepower for its size. The ergos are surprisingly good, featuring a fully enclosed ejection port design that adds structural rigidity to the slide. Kimber ships this with TrueGlow Tritium Pro night sights, which is a huge value add right out of the box. The slide is cut for the RMSC footprint, so you can slap a hollow sun or a shield sight on it immediately. But the trigger is the surprise. It is a flat-faced performance trigger with a clean break that rivals guns twice the price. It has ambidextrous controls, aggressive stippling, and a look that is totally unique. If you want to stand out from the sea of black plastic, give the Mako a look. Number 6. The CZ P09 Nocturn. For the hammer-fired purists out there, this one is for you. The CZ P09 Nocturn is the modernized evolution of the classic P09 duty pistol. The original was great, but the Nocturn fixes the one major complaint we all had. It is finally optics ready from the factory. This is a double-action, single-action system. That means your first trigger pull is long and heavy, which acts as a safety layer for carrying. Every shot after that is a crisp, light, single-action break. It comes with a 19-round magazine, giving you plenty of ammo on board. You can get it with a 4.5-inch barrel or a slightly shorter compact version. The grip texture has been updated to be more aggressive, locking your hand high on the beaver tail. And because it is a CZ, the slide rides inside the frame rails. This lowers the bore axis and helps mitigate recoil. It is reliable, it is accurate, and now that it takes a red dot, it is a viable 21st century duty weapon. Number 5. The Shadow Systems MR920. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. This is what the Glock 19 wants to be when it grows up. The Shadow Systems MR920 is built on a compatible footprint, but every single part has been upgraded. The frame features a customizable backstrap system that actually changes the grip angle. So if you point naturally with a 1911, you can set this gun up to match that point of aim. The slide looks amazing with window cuts and aggressive directional serrations. It comes with a spiral fluted match-grade barrel, usually finished in bronze or black nitride. But the optic system is the game changer. Their proprietary cut allows you to mount almost any major brand of red dot directly to the slide without weak adapter plates. It creates a bomb-proof mounting solution. You get a flat-faced trigger, a distinct recoil control ledge for your support thumb, and a magwell for speed reloads. Shadow Systems basically did all the custom work you were going to pay a gunsmith for, and they did it for a fraction of the cost. Number 4. The Heckler and Koch VP9. You cannot talk about modern combat pistols without mentioning H&K. The VP9 is the striker-fired option for people who demand uncompromising quality. The ergonomics on this pistol are arguably the best in the world. It doesn't just have backstraps, it has interchangeable side panels. You can completely mold the grip geometry to fit your specific hand size. The charging supports those little wings on the back of the slide make racking the gun incredibly easy, even under stress or with wet hands. The trigger is typical German excellence. Smooth take-up, crisp break. It ships with 15-round or 17-round magazines, and the new models are all optics ready. It shoots soft, it points naturally, and it has that legendary H&K reliability. It is a premium tool for a professional user. Number 3. The Canik TP9 SFx. If you want to ball on a budget, stop looking. Canik has completely disrupted the market with the TP9 SFx. This is a competition-ready handgun that often costs less than a stock Glock. And no, it does not feel cheap. You get a 5.2-inch match barrel, which gives you a long sight radius and increased velocity. It comes with 20-round magazines standard. The trigger is phenomenal, breaking at around 3.5 to 4 pounds with a reset that is almost instant. The slide is cut for optics and includes the plates in the box. They even give you a holster and cleaning tools. Is it a little big for concealed carry? Sure. But for home defense or crushing a pistol league match, this thing punches way above its weight class. It is reliable, accurate, and an insane value for the money. Number 2. The FN509 Tactical. This gun was born from the U.S. Army's modular handgun system trials. The FN509 Tactical is a warfighter's pistol, plain and simple. It comes ready for anything you can throw at it. You get a threaded barrel standard, so it is ready for a suppressor or comp immediately. It ships with suppressor height night sights that will co-witness through your optic. The magazine capacity is serious business. You get a standard 17-round mag and an extended 24-round stick in the box. FN's low-profile optics mounting system is robust and fits just about any dot you want to run. The grip texture is aggressive, almost like sandpaper, which is exactly what you want when your hands are sweaty or bloody. It is built like a tank and reliable as hell. If you want a go-to-war pistol right out of the case, this is it. Number 1. The Staccato C2. And sitting at the top of the mountain, we have the Staccato C2. This isn't fair. Comparing a Staccato to a standard striker-fired gun is like comparing a Ferrari to a minivan. This is a 2011 platform. That means you get the crisp sliding trigger pull of a 1911 but with a double-stack 9mm magazine. It holds 16 rounds in a compact aluminum frame. The recoil impulse is just distinct. Because of the reciprocating mass and the hammer-fired system, the gun tracks incredibly flat. You can run this gun faster and more accurately than just about anything else on this list. It is optics ready, it features a 3.9-inch bull barrel, and the fit and finish are perfection. Yes, it is expensive. You are paying for American craftsmanship and elite performance. But once you shoot a Staccato, it is really hard to go back to a polymer striker gun. It is the ultimate concealed carry flex, and it earns the #1 spot with ease. Alright guys, that is the list. I want to hear from you down in the comments section. Are you sticking with your Glock, or are you making the switch to one of these modern platforms? If you got value out of this video, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next upload, and ring that bell. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you on the range.